Oh, my lighting is very good, right? We're in a Tesla here, taking off the mirror and the cover that covers the cameras. And then here we can see how smeary and fogged up this whole thing is. With the cameras look through, there's like this film on it. No wonder the camera can't see and FSD doesn't drive right. So after we're done cleaning this, we go to service maintenance and then windshield camera area position cleaning, right? Record. So this was done now at this odometer. Confirm. So a camera area position cleaning. That's what I did. I did a precision cleaning. Well, that's what I did. So now it's in my service record. Entered. Can I get out of this? Because I didn't have the camera connected as the car turned on, and then it said it wouldn't see the entire camera. So now we have to boot up again. I think it only recognizes the camera when this thing is on. Like, it only recognizes the camera when it's connected when you boot up. I had a loading error for something. I don't care. So we will service, camera visibility, maintenance, notifications, camera visibility. But where's this thing where you can see all the cameras? Camera preview here. And then you're going to look into those cameras. There's the cabin camera should be here. It's not here anymore. So cabin camera doesn't work anymore. Main camera is there. Wide camera is there. Narrow camera is there. Left door pillar. Left fender. Right fender. Rear view. I don't know. So the camera is not. The cabin camera is not available. I don't know, we have to see why this is and how this is. So, camera is back up and running. And now we go for a quick drive here in the neighborhood to see how this goes. If the self-driving, what it's on right now, you can see it up there. Self-driving is on. How it goes. And I have no route guidance active, so that means we actually don't know where this thing is going. Can I maybe go to... So I have a wider angle now where I can see a little more. Let's see how the iPhone can do here at night. Oh, it takes a ride. Guy running across, it can see him. Nice, he's running in pajamas, that dude. Interesting. So there's a whole lot of traffic coming from that side. We'll see if the car waits or if it drives into traffic. There's a lot of cars coming. So I have my foot in front of the brake just in case I have to interfere. But I don't think the front cameras are responsible on that side. That would be more the side cameras. And we only cleaned the front camera. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Looks pretty good. There we go. Now I don't know where it's going. As you can see here, I have no route guidance. So this thing is just going nilly-willy to some place. Here the car is stopping and braking and stays behind it. Oh, no, it's driving around it. There's no cars next to us. It's going back over to the right. Oh, does it take a right? No, it doesn't. Yeah, I wonder where it's going. If it's going there straight at the intersection or not. It does recognize the red light. that is already something. So I would say it works pretty good. Everything is cool. There's a school bus turning into this car wash here. Really? If the turn signal on the school bus is real.